Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to download .NET 8 in our Windows 11. So just search on any browser about this and then you will get multiple links. Just click on the first link and it will redirect to this page. Here you can see this is the SDK and that is only we need to download. I have already downloaded this, so I'm just for the demonstration purpose I'll click on this Windows. As of now I'm using Windows 11. So after clicking on this, you will be redirected to this page, and I cancelled this because I'd already have this in my machine. And along with that, you also need to take care of this Visual Studio 2.0.0 and version 17.7 preview 2 should be available in your machine. Otherwise, it will not be visible while you are creating a project. So first, we'll see how to install this. I'll go to my download folder, and after going to this folder, I'll just double click on this installer, and then I'll follow simple approaches. Like after clicking on the install button, I'll get this prompt and performing default operation as of now with this installation. As now you can see, this started downloading into my machine. So give it give it a couple of minutes. It depends on the speed of your machine also, at how fast is your machine. So as of now, it is taking some seconds and it is completing its download part. And after completion of this download, we will check this in our CMD. Okay, let it be completed first. Give it a few more seconds so that it can be downloaded. In the meantime, let me open this command prompt with the CMD prompt. I'll go there here and just search with this. Now you can see the installation was successful. Now let's close this, and now let's check what is the version of .NET on our machine. .NET minus version. Okay, now it is installed in our machine with 8.0.100.